back to another video, guys. I'm the Magic Cardman, and today I'm gonna be teaching you 3 magic tricks you can do right now. How cool is that? So, first trick is how to magically make any card float out of the deck. Just like that. So, how you do that is do this, just do this, and just slide the card up with your pinky. Just like that with your pinky. So when you do it, the cards are just going to kind of hide your pinky, and it will look like you're raising it out of the deck. Just like that. And with your pinky, you just want to push it up. Just like that. Oh, how cool is that? Oh. And so now the next trick is, are you ready? Is how to put a deck of cards in any balloon. What you want to do is have your balloon ready, all blown up, your deck of cards. It's pretty much self-working, works on its own. What you want to do is have the deck of cards, have the balloon, and you just kind of push the deck and the balloon like together, and just let go of this part of the balloon where they just release all the air. Just like that. Oh, how cool is that? What the back shows, but from the front angle, it looks like the deck of cards is inside the balloon. Oh, how cool is that? And now for the next and last trick. You ready, guys? Are you ready? For the next and the last trick of the video is how to make any ring magically go right through your finger. How cool is that? So, so what you want to do is put the ring right on your finger. You just take your finger and just kind of like slide it out and kind of push out. So what you want to do is grab the ring and kind of push forward, and then with your ring finger, you just kind of push it back. And that's what it looks like slow. But really fast, it looks like that. How cool is that? Every one of these tricks just takes practice, you know. Don't worry. Don't give up. You can do it. And I love you guys so much. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. Boom!